So we're back with another little episode on Emma's car. Today we are modifying the doors. If you've watched my Corsa build, you will know that I did the velar door handles, which I said I would never do again. But anyway, they've brought me a Range Rover velar door, so I suppose let's get on this anyway. So, Range Rover velar door handle, which won't focus, there we go. I think they're a cool mod, but we're going to see if they work first. I've already stripped out her Astra door. I've left it plugged in at the moment because I need to make sure the electrics work on the door handle. So I suppose with that said, I suppose we should cut this door up. I'll put you on a little time lapse, find some goggles and stuff. We'll cut this door up, get this handle out and all the brackets and bits and bobs I need, and then we'll see if we can get the door handles to work on her Astra door. Right, let's set you up for a time lapse. So cut the door up. Obviously we need the strength of plate, so I've cut this off camera. Cut down the sides and around it, and have some blah blah. And you can just lift that out like that. Oh god. Anyway, we'll sort of unplug it, unclip it from the cable down here, and we are good to go. So I'm going to do that off camera, and then we'll move over to our Astra and see if we can get this thing working. Right, hopefully you can see. So I've set on my little probe, got the plug. Sorry, it's going to be a little bit far, the camera does this, so I'm just going to probe the end while I'm pressing the unlock and lock button to try and find out which two pins I actually need, which I think I know which ones they are anyway. Is it that one? So, top left is unlock. I think bottom right is lock. Yep. So I think we've just got to play around with this now and see which way around it's got to go. Right, let's bring you a little bit closer so you can see what's going on. Oops. Whoopsie daisy. So anyway, I have just put the pins in. Oh, if it'll focus, there we go. I've put the pins in. We're just gonna lock it, unlock it. Right, stage one done. Now to get this door off and try and get this door handle fitting. So I'll probably just set you up for a time lapse. It's just a lot of cutting, a lot of measuring, and then obviously tack it in place, bolt that in, make sure it all lines up and the window goes up and down, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I have braze welded in the hole. We've got a bit of a low spot down the bottom here, which I'm going to have to fill in unfortunately, just due to the heat. I tried using some gel dispersing, which is supposed to take the heat away from where you're welding and not cause it to pop or get low spots, but unfortunately it has happened, so it's just the nature of the beast when you're modifying. So I'm just going to skim this with some filler now. And then once I've rubbed that down, we'll get back to you on how I'm going to stick the actual handle in. Right, we're all filled, ready for dolphin. First off though, I'm going to flip the door over and glue the bracket down that holds the door handle in place. And then once that's gone off, we'll flip it over, make sure it all lines up, the window goes up and down, and then we'll give it one last skim. Right guys, the door handle's in, it is working on the electrics. I still need to buy some cable to get the cabling working so you can actually open the door. I've got to put another skim of dolphin in it just to finish it off, and then we are complete. So if you've liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. Everything helps us out, and we'll see you in the next one.